guys, when it comes to a home, the most important part about that structure is going to be the foundation. However, given the situation that we have here in South Texas with the dry heat, the dry soil, sometimes you may be in need of a foundation repair. Well, I have Matt here with Due West Foundation Repair, and he's here to talk about what sets them apart from other businesses when it comes to that necessity that many of us will encounter in our lifetime. So it's great to have you back in the studio.
It's great to be back. Thank you.
Awesome. I'm not super keen on foundations, so I'm excited to learn more about this. Talk to me about the unique technology that you guys have that are going to help you give us the ultimate foundation repair.
Well, here at Due West, we have our patented Ultra Pile. Okay, it does quite a few things for us. Installation process of the press pile is everything. A lot of people think when we're driving these cylinders into the ground that we're going to hit a hard layer down there.
Like the core of the earth, and then
but we actually don't. These are friction-bearing piles. So as we're driving them into the ground, we're actually displacing that soil. That soil wants to go back to its original position. So when it comes to that, depth is everything, because the deeper you go, the more skin friction we can create. During the installation process, there's a lot of companies that miss a couple of key things, like adding water to the bottom of the hole. So as we push the cylinder through the water, it's actually lubricating that cylinder and the soil so we can get just a little bit deeper. When doing that, you can actually get 2 to 3 feet deeper than most other companies. Another thing that we can do is our cylinders have a 5/8 hole in the middle of them. So if we get down to a hard layer or a sand layer, I can actually hydrojet down through the center of my cylinders so we can break through that layer, which is only through Due West because it's patented.
Very cool. Okay, so many people might get to that point and say, well, this is about as far as we can go, and you call it quits. But for you guys, there's an extra level or two that you can take to ensure that you're getting the best foundation repair possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Okay, what is something that sets you apart from other companies that do foundation repair in regards to, obviously this technology is unique to Due West, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Our customer service, the way that we handle things throughout the job, we lay down a lot of plywood and stuff to keep your grass nice and stuff like that. A lot of other companies don't do.
Yeah.
We always have a superintendent and a foreman on site, which a lot of companies don't as well.
Very cool. Okay, so making sure all your ducks are in a row, you're respecting our territory, which is really important. I think you come in, a lot of us are looking for the best deal we can get, and you're like, oh, I got a discount, you got a half-off deal right now. A lot of times there's a reason that deal is existing is because Due West is here doing a better job for the right price. So you really want to shop around and make sure that you have the right clients and the right people providing that service, right? Okay, so in regards to a foundation repair, I'm sure it's really important whether or not you're building out on the island where there's sand or here in town where there's more clay. How do you guys determine what service you need to provide?
Well, first we send somebody out to do an evaluation. The soil content's different around different parts of town. Some are sandy, some are heavy clay. We have many different processes that we can use. Basically, we just determine what's going to be best for that house.
Fantastic. And do you guys guarantee your work at all or provide any?
So we provide a lifetime warranty with no exclusions.
Amazing. We love to hear that. We love people that are going to give us the best service that we can get with that warranty to back the work. You've got the supervisors, you have everybody overlooking the work that's getting done to make sure it's done properly. Where do we go for more information?
You can give us a call at our 1-800 number or any local office.
Fantastic. Okay, give our friends at Due West Foundation Repair a call. When you do mention you saw them on Coastal Living, they'll take extra great care of you. Service you can count on right here in the Coastal Bend, Due West Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.